Hey guys, today we're diving into the top 5 best barefoot shoes that elevate your walking and running experience to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned minimalist runner or just looking for everyday footwear that supports natural movement, these shoes are sure to impress. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list is the Xero Shoes Prio Running and Fitness Shoe. Xero's Prio is a standout for anyone looking for an everyday barefoot shoe, and they come in both women's and men's sizes. With a supportive amount of cushion and a comfortable toe box design, these shoes are a crowd pleaser for people looking for a classically styled shoe that encourages a natural stride and connective ground feel. They have a 5.5mm outsole, which falls mid-range for barefoot shoes and will feel comfortable for most wearers, whether they're experienced in the realm of barefoot shoes or newer to the style. These also have a removable midsole, so you can start with added cushioning and remove it for closer ground contact once you get used to the shoe. This is our best-selling and the ultimate all-in-one style shoe, Funk says. From the gym to the street, this is a great shoe for every occasion. Next up, we have the WHITIN Barefoot and Minimalist Trail Runner Shoe. These affordable barefoot shoes come in a wide variety of styles for men and women looking to dip a toe into the barefoot waters, or who want several style options without breaking the bank. We like the Minimalist Trail Runner for its just enough cushion and moderate outsole grip, along with the snug fit that feels supportive but not suffocating. These are a super flexible shoe, and the insole is actually removable for anyone who wants to start slow in the barefoot world and work their way into a true barefoot feel. The standard width can feel a bit snug, so anyone with average or high volume feet may want to size up. Moving on to our third pick, the Altra Solstice XT2. These gym-oriented shoes with men's and women's sizes are a great introduction to the style of barefoot footwear. Altra was one of the mainstream pioneers of zero-drop shoes with a wide toe box, though many of their models have more midsole cushion than a true barefoot shoe. The Solstice XT2 skirts closer to the line of a classic barefoot shoe than others in the brand's lineup, with a firm, minimalist midsole that offers stability and support for everyday use as well as gym workouts, which often have lateral movement and need support for movements like squats, lunges, box jumps, and agility drills. These shoes also offer additional support in the reinforced upper material, which wraps the side and top of your foot and can help prevent lateral slips. Our fourth pick is the Merrell Vapor Glove 6. This ultralight pair of barefoot shoes weighs just 11 ounces for the women's style, and 12.7 ounces for men's, making these some of the most lightweight full-coverage barefoot shoes on this list. That low weight means every aspect of this shoe, from the thin rubber outsole to the micro mesh upper, is as bare minimum as it gets while still performing as a running shoe. These shoes offer the benefits of a barefoot stride while having just enough protection from the ground for use on paved and dirt roads. The 2mm lugs also offer just enough traction without sacrificing ground feel, and the streamlined upper wraps your foot like, well, a glove. The lug patterning was designed in part to shed debris, which is helpful on trails, but only advanced barefoot runners will feel comfortable on rocky or uneven trails with a shoe this minimalistic. Last but certainly not least, we have the Vibram 5 Fingers V-Trail 2.0 shoe. Vibram is a longtime category leader in the barefoot shoe movement, best known for its distinctive toe shoes. These continue to be a favorite for barefoot runners and hikers looking for maximum toe splay that even the wider toe box in traditional barefoot shoes doesn't offer. The V-Trail 2.0 shoes for men and women have a minimal outsole of less than 4mm that maximizes traction on the Vibram Megagrip rubber thanks to tiny pyramid-shaped cleats under the entire footbed. Paired with the unique design of the toe shoes themselves, these have incredible traction that allows you to use your entire foot including your toes for fine-tuned grip and traction on rocks, roots, and steep trails. The upper is made with an abrasion-resistant, water-resistant polyester, and the straps are wide and comfortable for adjusting on the go. And there you have it, the top 5 best barefoot shoes that redefine comfort and performance. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, thanks for watching.